web accessibility is more than just the alt tags, right? I mean, because that's what a lot of people think. It's just like, okay, no, I'm cool. I put in girl at a baseball field, so I am
Yeah.
never going to be sued because I put that in. It's just not the case. It's
And what's
incredible.
interesting is if you do a technical audit, one of these sites, they say, put your domain in and hit the button and we'll tell you how accessible you are. They might give you a 95 score, but that's because there's not a human checking the context of your alt tags. So while you may have an alt tag that says car, you've got to have, imagine you're writing for someone blind or with, low vision. You've got to describe that scene. That is what the alt tag is for. But alt tags, while they're cited a lot in lawsuits, that's just the beginning. And it can be overwhelming, especially if you're like a real estate site that may have 50 images per listing. You've got to do one for every image. And the usual reaction is, who would do that? And then I just send a link sometimes to the 10,000 lawsuits that are just around alt tags from the last year and a half. And they go, oh, but it's more than just the website. You've also got to think about third-party media. And that's where we come in. We focus on Matterport virtual tours, YouTube videos, things that you don't have control of because they're hosted on this big third-party platform. But it's not the third-party platform who is to blame. It's you for putting your content on there and then putting it on your website. So there's a lot of education around that.